Our next guest has made a name for himself working both sides of the camera since the 1970s. He could be seen most recently on the CBS sitcom Out of Practice. You also may remember him for his iconic role as the Fonz on Happy Days. Welcome, Henry Winkler.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
Thanks for coming. In terms of this balance between producing, you've done shows like MacGyver, a whole bunch of things, and acting, it seems like lately you've really gone heavy on the acting side.
You know what? My dream has always been, since I was 7, to be an actor. So I'm so happy when I'm doing that job. This is my metaphor. Producing is like holding sand in your arms. You never quite stop the drip. Directing, you try to get all that sand into one box. And as an actor, I get to play in the sand. So I'm very happy when I'm acting.
And you had the experience also with recurring on Arrested Development.
Yes,
which was another...
But there I was not a regular. I only did one Arrested Development, and then they asked me back for 11. You know, and I still don't know what my sexuality is on that particular, that guy. I'm trying to figure out exactly who he is.
You know that Ron Howard guy, right? He has something to do with that.
I met Ron
yes.
Early on in his career, and he is cute. You know, he was very nice. He signed my script, and I liked meeting him. Yeah.
What other shows do you like out there that are currently on?
What am I? Oh, Rescue Me. The CSI groups are great. I love the, now I'm dyslexic, so I'm going to get this wrong. Law and Order SUV?
SVU.
Yeah, okay. It's not a car.
SUV is the car dealer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I knew there was an S, and I knew Mariska was in it.
You know, Henry, one of the interesting things, you have kind of an interesting footnote in TV history, because the phrase "jump the shark," which has come to mean a show that's outlived its usefulness, basically, originated with an episode of Happy Days where Fonzie jumped a shark.
And very well, I might add. In his leather.
Did you have two questions. Did you have a sense at the time that the show might have been sort of grasping for ideas at that point?
I didn't. We went to, you know, to Hollywood. I think Richie wanted to be a screenwriter. And first of all, when we were #1 for 6 years after we jumped the shark.
Right.
And I love the distinction of being the only human being on the planet who has jumped the shark twice on television. Once on Happy Days and once on Arrested Development. Mitch Hurwitz had a shark on the dock, and I was getting a cheeseburger, and I jumped over the shark on my way to lunch.
So among the things that you'll be remembered for, you're a 2-time shark jumper.
I think it should be the first thing I'm remembered for.
We thank you for coming to Square Off.
You know what? I really enjoyed myself.
Join us every Friday night at 8 p.m. only on TV Guide Channel.